In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dividends account in Xero. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. First off, we need to navigate to the right area in Xero. At the top of your dashboard, look for the Accounting tab in the bar above. When you hover over it or click on it, a menu will appear. From this menu, you want to choose Chart of Accounts. This is where we'll be handling the creation of your new account. Next up, you'll spot an option to Add Account. Go ahead and click that. This is where the magic happens, as you're about to customize your new account. One of the first things you'll need to do is set the account type. Since we're working on a dividends account, we'll be classifying it under equity. This classification is crucial because it ties the new account to the ownership funds of your business, especially those you've decided to distribute as dividends. Now it's time to add a unique code. This code will serve as a shorthand identifier for your new account, so make it something memorable, easy for you to recognize quickly. It could be a series of numbers, letters, or a combination that makes sense to you in your business context. Once that's done, let's give the account a name. Something clear and descriptive like Dividends Equity works perfectly. This name will appear in your chart of accounts, so ensuring that it's easily identifiable will help manage and categorize transactions effectively in the future. After you've set the account type, code, and name, have a quick review to ensure everything looks good. Then, you can confidently click Save. With this final step, your new dividends account is officially created. And there you go. You've successfully added a new account to your chart of accounts in Xero. With this account in place, categorizing transactions related to dividends will be a breeze. Whether you're managing payouts or simply organizing your financial statements, this new entry is designed to keep things orderly and easy to track. That's all there is to it. Following these steps ensures you have an efficient, correctly set up system for managing dividends in Xero. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or check out our other tutorials. Have a great day, and happy bookkeeping!